What if I was to tell you that the false label of anti-Semitism is actually a cover for deeply rooted anti-blackness within the so-called Jewish faith? Would you believe me? Shoot, you better at this point, because you know I got receipts. Let's get into it. Dr. Harold Blackman wrote in his book, The Ebb and Flow of Conflict, A History of Black-Jewish Relations through 1900. Dr. Blackman writes, and I quote, "The Babylonian Talmud was the first source to read Negrophobic, that means anti-blackness, content into the episode by stressing Canaan's fraternal connections with Cush." Don't trip, stay here with me, family. The Talmudic glosses, that means unfavorable written comments, of the episode added the stigma of blackness to the fate of enslavement that Noah predicted for Ham's progeny. Man, what the hell does this even mean? Basically, the Jewish Talmud justifies the mistreatment and even enslavement of black folks by saying the children of Ham are cursed with blackness by God. Yeah, they bogus as hell. This is Rabbi Judah Halevi, and this is Rabbi Moses. According to Dr. Blackman, these two rabbis were the two greatest thinkers the medieval Jewish world produced, and virtually the only point on which they agree is that blacks are biologically inferior. Damn. But wait, there's more. The Encyclopedia of the Jewish Religion refers to Rabbi Moses as the, quote, symbol of the pure Jewish faith. So let's hear some of his views on black folks. This devil is quoted as saying, "The status of those is like that of irrational animals," talking about black folks, of course. "To my mind," he writes, "they do not have the rank of men, but have among the beings a rank lower than the rank of man, but higher than the rank of apes." This dude is, according to the so-called Jews, the symbol of pure Jewish faith. So now you know why they gotta act like we're the haters of them, to really cover up for their deeply rooted hatred of us. Ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall most certainly set you free.